Okay, this is a 2-ratchet Trickline setup guide. Okay, step number 1. Wrap your anchor like normal. Not your anchor, but your ratchet. Make sure you fold it so it comes out straight. Ratchet handles on the bottom. Okay, and take the non-loop end, there it is, and feed it from the bottom, which is the opposite way that you would do it if you use only one ratchet in your rig. So like that, okay? And pull it through. Pull it all the way through. And
why do you leave all that extra tail on it?
that's so you can crank it without the tail getting into your ratchet.
Cool.
So you crank it a couple of times. That way this end stays locked, so it acts like a fixed anchor. So right now it won't move back. And now you walk to the other side, set up the other ratchet. Same idea. Now it's just rigging like
Cameron, come look at that.
and one ratchet rig.
Ow.
Oh no!
Okay. Ratchet handle on the bottom. Fold the line so the ratchet comes out flat. Feed it into the ratchet normally, or as if you're doing it with one ratchet in your rig. Pull the slack out. Crank it on this side. Max it on this side, and then go to the opposite.
Do we want to lock it?
No, not yet. Okay. Now then go to the other side.
No, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go halfway and then come down back.
This should be good. Some more tensioning. Hold this up.
Want me to tension?
Alright. I think it should be golden. Yeah. That's a double ratchet Trickline setup.